Hey, how's it going? This is Turkish Coffee. Thanks for watching. Today we're working on DEVEL, which is an easy Windows machine for Mac the Box. Um, as always, I want to remind you guys I have a Git book on. The link is in the description below, and with most of the commands which I used in my CTF. So please, if you're interested, just visit this repo. Yeah. Last, here's the content review I prepared for this box, and as always, it's divided into sections. Yeah, we have tools on one side, and on the other side, text and Prevask. Yeah, just to make it a bit more easy to understand and to visualize and stuff. So basically, as always, we do some Recon here, ping and map, what web, weaponizer, usual stuff. We'll craft a payload, 2 different payloads here, yeah, using msfvenom. We'll catch the reverse shell with the multi-handler here. Of course, Metasploit is always there. In the second, let's say the attack is 1, but reverse shell are 2. So in the second reverse shell, we will get it with the netcat. And then we'll do some privilege escalation in 2 ways. One using Metasploit, and the other one, which is super fun and super useful to learn, using Windows exploit suggester. Yeah, so fantastic. And then the usual transfer thing. Yeah, Python insert util just to move stuff here and there. So I honestly had fun. Thing is, if you don't practice and you don't try stuff on your own, and you go with the usual like ABC 1 2 3 thing, you don't learn much. So again, my idea, and yeah, my idea is, guys, use it as a lab and try and test the scripts and tools and different things. Yeah, just don't just follow the standard write up or the standard methodology. Yeah, build your own, try to own your own sword, and yeah, this stuff. But I don't want to waste your time with my philosophy here. Yeah. So basically, we have one attack. Yeah, which is file upload, and we do FTP, and we will exploit FTP anonymous on this machine, and we'll upload the reverse shell here. We'll do 2 type of reverse shell. Basically, it's a reverse shell with 2 type of payloads. One is Windows and the other one is Meterpreter. Yeah. As said before, we'll get it with netcat. We'll catch it with netcat and with multi-handler. Yeah. So even here we see different ways to do the same thing, which is always useful. And then as for Prevask, we do we'll utilize these 2 beasts here to Prevask. Yeah, actually the payload, not the payload, but the exploit, I think is called chimichurri, I guess, and this is the vulnerability. This is not the exploit ID. Yeah, this is not the vulnerability. Yeah, or maybe I'm a bit wrong here, but the exploit is called chimichurri, I guess. Let's see, we'll see it later. Yeah. Okay, so enough talking by Turkish Coffee, and let me just get the AP here. I guess I already had it, but all right. Let's see whether it is on. Yeah, it's on, and we see it's a Windows machine. Yeah, just in case we didn't know. IPA. Yeah, so I do this stuff. I don't know if you agree with this. To me, it's fun and useful. Is Kelly, and the box is called DEVEL. Is DEVEL, yeah. Yes. And the 5, yeah. 5. Right. Oh my god, apologies. So, and we have to pipe it into a file here like this. So clear ls, right? IP. Okay, good. So we'll always have the our Kali here, 14.8, and the Devil's IP. Nice. So again, as always, Nmap. Why not? Yeah. All right. So aggressive IP piped into very simplified. Yeah? And same story with the TCP all ports. Oh no, not this one. Apologies. So this is this TAC-P TAC, TAC-P TAC, and we cannot do this. Aggressive, and we go for open. All right. Yeah. So we already have some feedback here. Beautiful. But just me command this last command here from Nmap. So we'll scan all the TCP ports on the target, against the target. I guess this will take a while because it's aggressive scan, but okay. And we'll just deal with the open ports. Yeah. So we'll just ditch all the others. Yeah. But again, this is I believe this is very useful, and we should always run during a CTF or engagement. But in this very case is not helping us because we'll just have two ports open. Yeah. So one is FTP, yeah, and the other one is the beautiful HTTP. Yeah, not even S, but HTTP. Right. So super fantastic news. Anonymous. Not the Legion, but Anonymous FTP login here. Loud, fantastic. So as you can guess, this is our way in. And then we will trigger the payload using the website. So let's go to the website a second, and make this. Yeah. So it's 10.10.10.5. No, 5.6. 5.6 is another box. Okay. And we can't, there's nothing basically here. Yeah. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. So no problem. Actually, we can do something. Let me show you. We can do this. What web? Yeah. HTTP 10.10.10.5. This is useful, yeah. This is useful, and it's some sort of as we know, weaponizer, but from the command line, yeah. So Microsoft, this is the usual Microsoft server, yeah. Nothing fancy here, yeah. Fantastic, but it's interesting, you know, knowing that there is this thing to be used, yeah. So what next? Given, let me show you something here. Okay, I will use this. So we can do 10.10.10.5 again with 56. It's Friday also for the browser. Huh? So if we go here and we just start Webalizer here, we see that it's ASP.NET, yeah. And this is the key. Basically, this is the key for the reverse shell, right? This guy is still going, and will take a while, but let's move on. So, as we were saying, this is a FTP anonymous login. Yeah, so we do FTP 10.10.5, yeah, and we go for anonymous. I put anonymous again, and we should see some stuff here. See, now just to test this, we can do this again. Echo hello guys, yeah, and then we pipe it into, I don't know, hello.txt. txt in this case didn't matter, but okay, and we do this put hello.txt, yeah, and file should be there. Yeah, it's there. So this is the proof that we can upload stuff. We could also download stuff, and for example, we do get and then the file name, but this is not the case. Just for information, I believe you can do some stuff on FTP, also delete things, probably also moving stuff, but I'm not an expert. But and let's say in this case, put and get are the things we need. Yeah, especially put. Anyway, thing is there, right? So let's now craft the exploit. So the exploit, the reverse shell. Yeah. So we go for 8200 as L port, and my IP is 14.08. Yeah, good. So this is msfvenom. Yeah, this is a part of Metasploit, I guess. And basically here we go for this is part of the Metasploit framework to basically build in bombs in this case in the pentesting and CTF word. Don't get me wrong. Bumble flowers outside of the CTF, of course. So tag P, we go for the payload, yeah, and this has to match the target as well as multi-handler in our case. So this thing will need to be put the same in multi-handler, but we'll get there in a second. Yeah. So very simply, this is our IP, and this is the port we gonna open in multi-handler in this case. Yeah. Format is ASPX because this is an ASP.NET thing. So we gotta go for that format there, and this is the name of our reverse shell. Okay, very good, very good. Run it. This is kind of very simple thing, but it's useful to keep on working out and learning things a bit differently. Yeah, so nice. I think it's there, right? Okay, what next? Next, let's see if it's still active. Yeah, so next we do this put reverse, if I can type, dot ASPX, no. Okay, of course. So I lost connection. Anonymous. Yeah. Good. There. Yeah. Okay. So this is also key. Yeah. We have to be careful here where we put the payload, because then we have to navigate the URL and be sure we trigger the reverse shell, and to do that we got to be sure where we are. Yeah, so very nice. Again, put reverse dot aspx, yeah, aspx, right? Okay, there is there. Now almost forgot here. As you can see, there are no other ports, at least TCP. Nice. MSF console. Yeah. If you wanna skip the banner, you do tag Q, but I want to see the banner because it's so beautiful. Every time different, every time so engaging. I like it. You didn't say the magic board. Fantastic. Metasploit Park. Oh, beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you, Rapid7. So I think is use exploit multi-handler, right? Okay, exactly here. So using configured payload and generic shell reverse TCP. No, we have to put this one, yeah, because it has to match the reverse shell one, right? So set payload, right, options, set all host on 0, set all port on which port I went for 8200. All right. And what else? Option. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah. So run. Okay. And now, okay. So now we just have to navigate here. We have to trigger it. Yeah. Sometimes in some CTF, it's hard to find it. Yeah. But in this one, shouldn't be. Yeah. Okay. So it's coming back. Get you ID. Yeah. So we in. We in as a basically standard user. Yeah. We want to be. We want to be the king. We want to be the king. Yeah. We want to be root or anti-admin or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So this is Windows. So anti-authority system. So okay, good. What else? There is a beautiful module here, which is called. Give me a second. Which is called what? Which is called this one. If you're wondering what did I do here, I just pressed Control Z. Yeah, don't Control C, no Control C, because otherwise you're gonna lose it. But if you Control C, you put it in the background, and you can work on other stuff in the same Metasploit session. Look, you see it's there. So back on the privilege escalation, we're using this module, right? And then we do set session 1, and then we just run it. So cool. So cool. 2420. Whoa. 2420 exploit. Oh my gosh. We're almost there. I'm sure there are many exploit which we can use to just become admin here. But I tested one and that one works. So let's not complicate stuff. And let me show you. So here are the exploit which are probably working. Yeah, I've used this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. So we go for use. All right. Options. Set all host 0. Set all port 2727. You can put whatever you want there. Set session 1. Run. And we should be admin in a few seconds. So beautiful, you know. Everything is Metasploit, yeah, here. Oh, what happened? Where did I go wrong here? What happened? Sessions. Options. Why is this? How weird. That's so weird. That's very weird. Why? Let me. Interesting. Okay, back. Let me think about this a second. Search. Okay. Use 0. Function. Set. Let's change the port. 8282. Oh, oh my god, I also lost the session. That's crazy, man. That's so weird. That's very, very crazy. So, given maybe even crazier than this, back. Let me try again. Okay, so use, exploit. I think it works this way too. Multi handler. Oh my god. Handler. Yeah. It should be 7 or 8. Yeah, 7. I knew this. No. Okay. You. Okay. Windows Meterpreter reverse TCP. Yeah. Okay. Windows Meterpreter options. IP is right. Port is okay. Run. Okay. Maybe the box is just broken. I don't know. Can happen, huh? And we do. And this is. Should be this. Okay. Get UID. Okay. And then we go for this boy here. No. Gotta go. I gotta put it in the background. I'm sorry. Clear. Class. Sessions. Okay. Let's try again. Options. Set. Session 2. Run. It's so strange it didn't work, but computers, yeah? Computers. Okay. Should be this one. Exploit. Windows local. MS10. 15. Yeah, this one, yeah. Okay. Options. Okay, so we just go back here. Search. 0. Options. Set L port. Okay. Set session 2. Yeah, session 2, right? Let's see. Hopefully privileged. Oh, you see it's there. So weird, man. I don't know what happened. But you see, this is beautiful. This is also beautiful, you know. It's weird, strange, interesting, and beautiful at the same time. You know what? Because this is the demonstration, you know, same thing. Now works and now it doesn't work. You know, it happened. You know, nice. So, so we bridged it using a file upload. You know, we got the reverse shell with multi-handler. We used a module to find a local exploit. We found it. We triggered it, and now we are admin. Yeah, so nice. So this is the first way to get in and to become admin, and basically to finish this box. Yeah, but given I'm never satisfied with just the basic thing, I also found another way to do this. Yeah, which is this is probably die. This is dead. Sorry. Yeah, so okay, and we do this. So Meterpreter, I believe we can close this. Yeah, just okay, sorry. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we can close this. I'm not, oh, exit that Y, all right, we here. Beautiful. So now, very simple again, you know. We just craft another reverse shell, yeah, with another payload. You see, here is we can see the difference here, yeah. So in the previous one, we just utilized with the Meterpreter, but Meterpreter is a type of, basically, is a shell on steroid, yeah. This is the one we just caught with multi-handler, okay, and now we basically we following the same mechanism, the same exploitation route, if we can put it that way, but with a different payload, yeah. Windows shell reverse TCP, yeah, and this other one was Windows Meterpreter reverse TCP. Okay, good. Same format. This is very important, guys, yeah. This is very important. ASPX is very important. This is supposed to be my IP, which is not, and we do, my IP is 14.8, yeah, okay, and here we can put whatever we want. Okay, shell, again, shelly.aspx. Good. In the meanwhile, we do FTP anonymous, not the Legion, anonymous, unluckily, and okay, and we can do exactly the same thing, you know. We just upload the file. We can do this, rlv wrap and add cats and lvp, and it is 2700, yeah, not 1000, my English. But Shelly, sorry, pvd stands for PWD stands for print working directory. You see, I'm a very good sysadmin, yeah. So good. Put Shelly dot ASPX, yeah, good. So now we have uploaded the beast, and we just have to trigger the beast, yeah. It is, so it's here, sorry, it's Shelly, should work, yeah. So here we have the reverse shell back. Who am I? As before, we just we are a non-privileged user, and now we do some fun stuff. So we do this sys, it's sysinfo or system info, no, apologies, system info, yeah. What happened? What happened? System info, system, yeah, system. That was a typo, apologies. So we use this command to have a lot of details about the box, yeah. Okay, and then we go here, exit, we can close this. Okay, nano system info dot txt, yeah, we paste everything there, yeah, and now we do some magic using, is there, yeah, so cat sysinfo, yeah, all right, good. Now we do this. Now I don't know if we can do this, yeah. Let me do this, cd tools, yeah, ls, all right, so we go for Windows, exploit suggester, yeah. Okay, so we do Python 2 Windows, I think update, I just updated it, right? Okay, so if you want to update it, you can do tech update, yeah, and then you can, and then we can start having some fun, yeah. The thing is, database is 2024 5/24. Yeah, and then we should put system info, which is, let me see if I'm right. Okay, system info. Yeah, okay, I will explain the command here. So basically, this is a fantastic Python script just to basically compare features characteristic of a box with a database of potential exploit. Yeah, and this is everything which this fantastic thank you to the creators or creator, I don't know. We can basically have a lot of good suggestion to become like root, not to become admin because this is Windows, but yeah, to escalate privileges basically. Yeah, and yeah, this is it. Fantastic. You can git clone it. It's in GitHub. Yeah, so Python 2, we run it. This is the script. It needs a database which you can create. Yeah, you can create it, I guess. If you do tac h, then you get the command, and then you can also update it once in a while or whatever you want, whenever you want. And then nothing, then you have to supply basically you have to supply the features of the target box, you know. And to do this, to do that, you do tac in so system info, and then you provide the copy pasted system info. You know, we just did it. Yeah, so this is it. Basically it goes through the characteristics, the features of the target box and the database. Yeah, and nothing. Then it supplies you, it gives you some information, some hints on potential exploit. Yeah, in my case I've used this and it works. Yeah, and so I'm going to show you. So MS10059, yeah, MS10059, this is the vulnerability. Yeah, as you can see here, allows privilege escalation. Maybe it should, but again, you never know with computers. And that's it. So I think the exploit is called chimichurri or something. Not so sure. You can just Google it. So what do we do now? Basically, we do this. We go here and we do, how's that called? MS10 text 059. Yeah. All right. Think I need, no, this one, no, this one, no, this one. There's a repo. Wiki kernel maybe. Yeah, SecWiki, this one. Yeah, this one. Yes. So this repo is fantastic. Yeah, you can go, you can check. There are so many exploits and things. Look, 41 repos. Yeah, and Windows kernel exploit. It was 0. No, it was 10059. 10059. This one. Yeah, so you can just basically download it. I think I already downloaded, but download. Yeah, I already downloaded it. Let me remove it. Remove this one. All right. Download it again. Okay, so it's clean, beautiful. And now what we have to do is very, very interesting and also useful and simple. So copy, oh my god, copy. We go in downloads. Yeah. It was called ms, this one here. Yeah. So we simply copy the exploit on our devel folder. Yeah. What next? Python. Come on. Python 3. You can also not put 3, but anyway. Module HTTP server 8081. So now we are serving on 8081 on our IP all these files. Yeah. So what do we do? This cert util is there, and it is kind of a long and weird command, but wget is way easier. But you know, Windows, they complicate everything. So it is URL cache tag f, I guess, and then HTTP 10.10.14.8, and then on 8081. Yeah, 8081. The file is called ms10.059.exe, and we call it kernel.exe. Yeah? It can take a while. Finger crossed. Yeah. There we go. Okay. What's going on? Access is denied. Today we having so much weird stuff going on, man. Why is this? Let me try again. Why access denied? Maybe because I'm not in temp. Yeah. This is not working. Yeah, access is denied. Yeah, my bad. So Windows dir temp. You see? Yeah, good. Let's see if it's good. I don't know. Drums. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, yeah, good. So should be somewhere here. There we go. Kind of heavy. Okay, kernel.exe. Let's see what happens. Kernel.exe. Okay, chimichurri. Yeah, there we go. So netcat, nlvp. I don't know. What should we put here? My fantasy. 5544. All right. Okay. So now we do kernel 10.10.14.8 on 5544. Yeah. Kernel. That's my IP, and that's the port I just opened. Yeah. Drums. Dun, 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 dun. You know, with the kernel exploit, they say you never know. You may break stuff. You may break the box. You shouldn't use it, but I use it. Interesting. Come on. Hopefully, I haven't broken the stuff here. Come on. Hello, Chimichurri, you there? Oh yeah, he's there. All right. UMINT authority system. Beautiful. You see, actually, you know, sometimes you have to wait, and sometimes you have to sweat a bit. And sometimes you have to try things twice or 3-4 times, you know, as you can see. So beautiful. I think we're done with this box. Yeah, I think we're done. Yeah, so again, here are the tools used. Yeah, simple stuff. Again, basically one attack. It's a file upload using FTP anonymous FTP. Two types of shell, code with two different type of shell catchers, and two exploits to become admin. Yeah, so I think we're done. I think we're done for today, for this week. Nothing. Thank you very much for watching again. In the description you find a lot of stuff. Please take a look, and nothing. So have a good Friday, and see you next week. Bye bye.